First attendance for 8th B and then for 8th C, right? Today's what is the date? 5th or 6th? Class?
Ma'am, 5th of December.
Okay, very good. Anything special today?
Yes, ma'am.
What are in?
Ma'am, today is Teacher's Day.
Teacher's Day?
No, ma'am.
Teacher's Day we celebrate in September, my dear. I think you have
Ma'am, let
forgotten.
me check the result.
Huh? Okay.
Ma'am, today is World Soil Day.
Today's World?
Soil Day.
Okay. We will discuss this. First, let us take the attendance. Char, not there. Abhinath, not there. Abhinav, not there. Aditya Kumar, Ankur Gangwar, Anokhi, Ursula, Arush, Arya, Aryan Bhardwaj, Ashish Yadav. Ashish Yadav is present. Aryan Bhardwaj, okay. धनेंद्र, दिव्यांग मिश्रा, दिव्यांग वर्मा,
तुमने मेरा पेंसिल बॉक्स लिया था, मेरे पास है नहीं पेंसिल बॉक्स।
दिव्यांका वर्मा, दिव्यांश जैन, दिव्या
नहीं,
दिया गंगवार,
Ma'am, Divyansh Jain present.
दिव्यांश is present. Okay, दिव्यांश.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, बच्चे परुष, फातिमा, ईशान, जसकीरत, कार्तिक गंगवार, लवेश, माधव
present.
हाँ बेटा मार्ग प्रेजेंट, मुस्तबाउल्ला खान, प्राची गंगवार, प्राची शर्मा, प्रद्युंश, प्रांजल, प्रियांशी, प्रियांश अग्रवाल प्रेजेंट, युवांशी, रक्षित सोलंकी, ऋषभ गंगवार. Okay, Rakshit Solanki is present. Rakshit, I did not receive your what do you call objective paper. I think I had posted on the group as well.
Yes, ma'am, it was network problem, I think so.
You send me the email ID through which you have given the paper. Rishabh Gangwar, Rohan Rastogi, Samriddhi Shukla, Sanidhya, Shaurya, Shifa, Shreya, Varis, Yuvraj. This B section is really 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just 5 students are there. Okay, Ahana.
Present, ma'am.
Radhe. Arush is not there. Abhishri.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Akshita Dev. Akshika Yadav.
Present,
Anshika
ma'am.
Yadav. Akshita Dev is present. Anshika Gangwar. Not there. Anshika Yadav. Arshit. Didi. तेल का गैस कम कर दो. चाय बंद कर दो, तेल कम कर दो. चाय कम कर दो. Aryan Gangwar. Anvesha. Mantika.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ayu Atharva Verma. Not there. Ayush is also not there. Gurleen not there. Harshit Obroy. Ishi Agarwal.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, Ishi Agarwal. Jay, Jivyansh, Kartike, Saxena. Then Mika.
Present, ma'am.
Parush.
Ma'am, Parush present.
Yes, Parush. I have seen. Pratyush, Saksham.
Present, ma'am.
Shagun.
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Shagun present.
Shagun is present. Shashank. Then Shivansh Pal. Shreya. Taran?
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Okay, Taran is there or not? Utkarsh Gangwar is present. Vishesh, are you there? Yes. Vyom
Yes, ma'am,
Saxena?
I'm present.
Vyom Sharma, are you there, beta? No. Yashika?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, yesterday it was Indian Navy Day.
Yes, I was about to ask you this only.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. National Navy Day.
Yes. Why do we celebrate this? Do you know? Ishan Johri is
Ma'am,
present
what?
with me. Wait, just a second. Ishan, are you there in the class? Ishan, I would like to hear from you, beta. Are you there? I cannot hear you. Your voice is quite low, I believe. Okay. Fine. ठीक है. Now please tell me 8th B. What are we doing?
Ma'am, we had started the chapter education in British rule, and at the end of the class we left on the Wood's dispatch when the points are ended from the ideals and methods of Wood's dispatch, ma'am.
Very good. So with 8C also, I think we are on the same chapter and same topics, I believe.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? I think just one topic, behind. That is, we were on the Macaulay's minutes, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
right. So what we will do, we'll let us have a question answer session for this chapter, or shall we continue with the same explanation? And
Ma'am, may I tell ma'am why Navy Day is celebrated?
yes, Pratyush, tell why Navy Day is celebrated.
Ma'am, it is celebrated to memorize the Karachi attack.
Yes, very good. See, when India had war with Pakistan during that time, I think in the year 1971, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Fine. चलिए. So,
Ma'am, Ghazni attack.
गाजी नहीं भाई, ट्राइडेंट. एक गाजी अटैक तो अलग चीज था बेटा. ये वाला जो अटैक था, ये वो था जब वॉर हो गई थी इंडिया पाकिस्तान में, तो उस टाइम पे ट्राइडेंट एक वो था, एग्जैक्टली याद नहीं आ रहा उसका नाम. एक था, मतलब जो नेवी ने जो है जिससे अटैक करा था ड्यूरिंग दी वॉर.
Ma'am, and the submarines were brought from ma'am Russia.
हाँ, okay.
Ma'am, I was once seeing the ma'am. There was a ma'am show on History TV 18. Ma'am, it was by ma'am General Bakshi.
अच्छा, okay.
Ma'am, he was telling that
About
the name of the submarine was Wasp. Ma'am, and
अच्छा,
it was very difficult to bring the submarine from Russia to India.
okay.
And ma'am, that Karachi operation was called Operation Trident.
हाँ हाँ, Operation Trident, exactly.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it destroyed the Pakistan harbor, ma'am, from which they export the ma'am materials, ma'am the weapons and all.
Very good, very good.
Karachi Harbor.
हाँ, Karachi Harbor. Very good. हाँ, that was the Trident, this thing. Okay, very good. चलिए, now come to the topic, okay? See, we left on, I think with 8C yesterday, because we were discussing the paper and marks. So we left it on the Wood's dispatch minutes of Macaulay, right? अरे उत्कर्ष, ये क्या है? What are you showing? Huh?
I'm clapping.
Clapping? Okay. I thought you are showing.
I read.
Okay, fine. And
Ma'am,
as
may I
per,
tell one more thing?
yes, Pratyush.
Ma'am, to learn the to how the submarines work of Russia, ma'am, Indians have learned Russian language for about 2-3 months, ma'am, because all the text in Russia is written in The Slovakian language.
Slovakian language, exactly. That is why. Very good.
Ma'am, they do not follow any other language.
That is why the Indians had to learn that. Very good. Very good fact. Okay. And with 8th B, I think we left on that Woods dispatch minutes, Woods dispatch
ma'am.
points, right, Priyash?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
points are completed. After the points, there is a paragraph. The ideals and methods of wood dispatch dominated the field for 5 decades. This
So
one.
we'll exactly. I got your point. Thank you so much, Bacha, for telling. So what we'll be doing with the class 8C, because only one paragraph is left. So we'll be reading that paragraph quickly. And then if anything is required for explanation, then explanation also. And after that, I think both the classes will come on the same points, right? So Saksham, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Macaulay's System of Education, page 56, right-hand side.
Yes, ma'am. Macaulay's system of education. The Anglicist Orientalist controversy was put to an end in 1835 when Lord Macaulay's minutes stated that limited government resources were to be devoted to teach Western sciences and literature through the medium of English alone. Under the Macaulay system of education, Persian was abolished as the court language and was substituted by English. The printing of English books was made free and these were available at a relatively low price. 42 schools were set up by 1842 and Bengal was divided into 9 educational zones by Governor General Auckland. Each zone was to have a government school. Wood's Dispatch 1855. In 1855, Charles Wood prepared a dispatch on an educational system for India. This document was the first comprehensive plan for the spread of education in India and was considered the Magna Carta of English education in India. The main recommendations of the dispatch were these. First, the government of India was asked to assume responsibility for education of the masses, thus repudiating the downward filtration theory, at least on paper. Second, graded schools were to be established in the hierarchy as universities, colleges, high schools, middle schools, and primary schools. Third, English was recommended English was recommended as the medium of instruction for higher studies and Indian languages or vernaculars at the school level. Fourth, emphasis was given on female and vocational education and on teachers' training. Fifth, education imparted in government institutions was to be secular. Sixth, a system of grant in aid was recommended for the institutions that satisfied certain conditions to encourage private enterprise. 7. Universities were to be set up in Calcutta, Bombay, and Madras. The ideals and methods of Wood's dispatch dominated the field for 5 decades, which saw a rapid westernization of the education system in India, with educational institutions run by European headmasters and principals. Missionary enterprises played an important part in this. Gradually, private Indian educational institutes appeared in the field. In 1857, universities at Calcutta, Bombay, and Madras were set up, and later, departments of education were established in all provinces. Education after 1858. Hunter Commission. In
Okay, wait,
1882,
Saksham, wait. Now tell me, in this Macaulay's system of education 8C class. Is there anything that I need to explain, or it is all clear and understood to all of you that what exactly Lord Macaulay's minute stated?
Ma'am, who are Orientalist?
Who were Orientalists?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, these are two people. These were the two groups who debated on how the education is to be imparted to the Indians. Like these Orientalists, they always believed that the Anagalists, those who were there, they believed that the education that is to be imparted, it should be in the languages that is already known to them, right? Sorry, Orientalists believe that the languages that are already known to them, they should be imparted in the same local languages or the vernacular languages, the regional languages that were spoken by the people, education to be imparted in that same language. Whereas these Anagalists, those who were there, they believed that only English should be the medium of instruction. Like in our schools, we have English as medium of instruction. Same way, that time also, these two people, Anagalists were Thomas Macaulay and James Mill. These two people, they were part of this. These two people were part of this, and this Anagalist thought of school. They believed that people should be given, knowledge, education only through English. No other medium should be used. Whereas these Orientalists, they advocated the teaching of Sanskrit, the Vedas, Persian, Arabic learning, and the local languages that were spoken by the people, the education to be imparted in that way only. Right?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Saksham.
Ma'am, in this sentence, to teach Western sciences and literature. Ma'am, Western means India's West countries, European countries.
हाँ, Western countries means the European countries. हम कहते हैं ना पश्चिमी सभ्यता हम कहते हैं
Explain the
ना.
last paragraph.
Yes, Vishesh.
Ma'am, please explain the last paragraph. Ma'am,
हाँ,
42 schools.
that I will explain. That I will explain. This Orientalist is clear, Pratyush.
Yes, ma'am.
So the Macaulay's minute of meeting, Macaulay's minutes stated that the Western sciences and literature should be taught through the English language only. Then, under the Macaulay system of education, Persian was abolished as the court language and was substituted by English. Like English was to be used everywhere, and Persian, which was used in the courts earlier, that was abolished by in the discussion that took place with Lord Macaulay. Then the printing of the English books was made free, and these were available at a relatively low prices. Like the printing cost that was there was reduced, and it was made of the English books were made available to all the people in easy, in low cost of money, right?
Ma'am, I had a doubt.
I have a doubt, or I had a doubt.
I have a doubt, ma'am.
Very good. Yes, tell.
Ma'am, William Jones and Colebrooke were in the group of Orientalist or Anglicist?
William,
William Jones and Colebrooke.
they were the Orientalists. They were the ones who believed that Sanskrit, Persian should be there, and local languages should be taught. In local languages, people should be taught.
And ma'am, James Miller and Macaulay?
James Mill and Macaulay, they were the ones who believed that the education to be imparted in English language. Right?
So ma'am, they are Anglicist.
They were Anglicists. Right? Okay. Now, yes. Vishesh was asking about the last paragraph. See, in the Macaulay's, whatever discussions took place, they were, they were written down and they used to be conveyed to the people. So in the last paragraph, they have said that in the year 1842, almost 42 schools were set up, and Bengal was divided into 9 educational zones, right? Like जैसे हम during the elections we divide the state district into wards, blocks. Same way for the education, for the imparting of education, west the Bengal region, it was divided into 9 educational zones, and it was made mandatory that each zone will have a government school. All the 9 zones, that means 9 government schools would be there, right? These were the minutes of Macaulay's what do you call education policy, you can say, right? Vishesh, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now coming to the Woods Dispatch. See, this Woods Dispatch, it was a committee which was set up in 1854 to suggest, certain improvements in the education that was being imparted to the Indians. Now, on the basis of the committee, the whatever what do you call findings were there, this committee had recommended those changes, and as per the report of the committee, the chairman of the board of control, who was Sir Charles Wood, in the name of this person only, chairperson only, this name of the commission was kept as Woods Dispatch Commission. Okay? Now he prepared a report and he prepared a plan also, which was called as Woods Dispatch. Yes, Divyank, I have seen you, but you are very late to the class. Try to be regular and on time. Now, many recommendations were given by Woods Dispatch. Now, five most common and important of them was that the aim of education was to be the diffusion of arts, science, philosophy and literature of Europe. यूरोप का ओके दिव्यांग तो कह रहा है कि जो भी साइंस, फिलोसफी, लिटरेचर और आर्ट्स है यूरोप का, उसका एक डिफ्यूजन हो इंडियन एजुकेशन से. ठीक है. फिर more and more colleges, high schools and primary schools were to be open. Under Wood's dispatch, Mr. Charles Wood, he suggested, that more schools is to be open, every type of school, high schools also, primary schools also, and colleges as well. Then more attention was to be paid to the elementary education, the basic education that was there. More emphasis was to be put to that elementary education, right? Then it was also like the universities that we read about, on the first page, the Banaras Hindu University, that Sanskrit College, then this Fort William College, all these universities, these were established under the model of the London University, and it was the suggestion of the Woods Dispatch Committee that these kind of universities should be open in the country so that people can take more and more advantage of that, right? Right, class?
Okay, ma'am.
Then here it is written, English was recommended as...
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, see, it is written as Magna Carta of English Education in India. Now, do you know what is this Magna Carta, Taran? Can you tell what is this Magna Carta? Anybody there in the class who knows what is this Magna Carta?
Ma'am, it is a book, I think.
Okay. Anybody else? What kind of book, Taran?
No, ma'am.
What kind of book?
Ma'am, it was a book somewhere written by one of the king of United Kingdom.
Ma'am,
it have plans for Indian education.
नो बेटा देखो हम बताते हैं, ये जो मैग्ना कार्टा है, मैग्ना कार्टा वाज, जैसे हम लॉज बनाते हैं, ठीक ऐसे ही मैग्ना कार्टा एक चार्टर निकला था बहुत टाइम पहले ब्रिटेन में. जब ब्रिटेन का जो एक किंग थे, उन्होंने इसको साइन
रॉयल चार्टर ऑफ राइट्स.
हाँ, यस. अब उसमें बहुत सारी चीजें जो है इंक्लूड करी गई थी, जो कि 1215 में लिखा गया था. सोचो उस टाइम पे लोगों ने कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि ये लिबर्टी, ये जो राइट्स होते हैं, ये सब क्या होते हैं. तो मैग्ना कार्टा जो है, इसको हम वुड्स डिस्पैच को हम एजुकेशन का मैग्ना कार्टा कहते हैं, क्योंकि वुड्स डिस्पैच का जब रिकमेंडेशंस आया था, उसके बाद ही इंडिया में प्राइमरी स्कूल्स और आपके जो है हाई स्कूल्स, यूनिवर्सिटीज, इन सब का एस्टेब्लिशमेंट हुआ था। अगर वुड्स डिस्पैच सजेस्ट नहीं करते तो शायद हमारे कंट्री में इतने सारे यूनिवर्सिटीज एट दैट टाइम नहीं होते। तो इसीलिए वुड्स डिस्पैच के जो भी रिकमेंडेशंस थे उनको मैग्ना कार्टा का नाम दिया गया है। जैसे मैग्ना कार्टा, इट वाज अ डॉक्यूमेंट दैट गारंटीड इंग्लिश पॉलिटिकल लिबर्टीज which was drafted at Runnymede, a meadow by the river Thames, and it was signed by King John on June 1215. Now it was, bhale it was under the pressure, this Magna Carta that was signed by the then King Sir John, but it was under pressure. But then whatever changes, whatever was mentioned in that Magna Carta of Britain, that is still in practice, right? So just like that, here also, in India, the Woods Dispatch is considered as the Magna Carta of education, right? Now is it clear?
Ma'am, it is written in Latin
Yes,
language.
ma'am.
It is
Yes,
written
ma'am.
in Latin language. Yes, this is what you said?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Also known as Magna Carta Liberatum England.
Ha, very good, very good. I will show you a video on this Magna Carta. What exactly is this, right? Because many a times this is, you can use it for anything that made a history in any XYZ thing. You can use this word, right? Okay.
Magna Carta.
हाँ, Magna Carta. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
चलिए. Then this Woods Dispatch, they emphasized, more on female and vocational education and on teachers training. Like whatever recommendations were given by Woods Dispatch, this was also one part of it, that female should be given education, vocational education was kept in mind, and teachers training was also part of this dispatch recommendations, right? Then education imparted in government institutions was to be secular. Secular का मतलब क्या होता है आपको पता है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
What is secular? Everybody knows?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes.
तो कह रहा है,
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो ये कह रहा है कि वुड्स डिस्पैच ने जो भी रिकमेंडेशंस दिए वो अपने आप में एक हिस्ट्री थे, बिकॉज उस टाइम पे इतने बड़े लेवल पे इतना ज्यादा जो है फोरसाइटेडनेस रखना वाज नॉट एन इजी टास्क, बट स्टिल सर चार्ल्स वुड, he thought of that, and he also considered the condition of the women in the country at that time. That is why he emphasized on the female education also. And then because he believed that as the time will change, everything requires changing, right? When the times change, everything changes. So he kept a provision that even for the teachers also there should be training programs that can keep the teachers updated. Like these days, because we are taking classes online, so we are like we have to attend webinars, which gives us more access to how to make our classes more like how can we have these classes without any obstacles or interruptions, right? Right, children?
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then
Ma'am, can you please tell the name of the king who written the Magna Carta?
who signed the Magna Carta was Sir John King in 1250.
Okay, ma'am.
Sir John, ठीक है?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of webinar?
बेटा webinars are online sessions, no? Online sessions जो होते हैं ना, जैसे हम
Ma'am,
लोग
online seminars.
ऑनलाइन सेमिनार्स, हाँ, जैसे जो जैसे हम लोग पहले क्लासेस में हमारे स्कूल में टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग के प्रोग्राम्स होते थे फॉर अपग्रेडेशन वाला पार्ट,
मैम टीचर वर्कशॉप,
हाँ, वर्कशॉप्स होती थी, तो ठीक ऐसे ही अब ऑनलाइन जो है ये ऑर्गेनाइज होते हैं जिससे कि ऑनलाइन मतलब आपको वो अपग्रेड करते हैं, अपडेट करते हैं विद व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन. ठीक है, like initially,
Okay,
like
ma'am.
initially when these online classes started, you know, live classes started, so that time certain many of the like CBSE had organized for various webinars where they told the teachers how to go with the online classes, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, what is this grants and aid?
ग्रांट्स एंड एड का मतलब होता है कि भाई ग्रांट्स मतलब परमिशन, ग्रांट का मतलब होता है परमिशन देना किसी चीज की, ग्रांट देना,
Yes.
जैसे हम डोनेशंस वगैरह देते हैं. और एड्स, ग्रांट्स एंड एड्स का मतलब एक ही होता है, बस ये है कि भाई कौन, जैसे यहाँ पे वो चार्टर एक्ट 1813 में उन्होंने ये कहा था कि भाई जो है जैसे उन्होंने 1 लाख रुपए एजुकेशन की रखा था, तो ये विद ग्रांट, कहा गया ग्रांट्स इन एड का मतलब होता है इट इज अ सिस्टम वेयर यू नो फेडरल मनी ग्रांटेड टू अ रेसिपिएंट टू फंड अ प्रोजेक्ट और प्रोग्राम. ठीक है, दीज आर
Okay,
नॉट
ma'am.
लोन.
Okay, ma'am.
एक तो हम कुछ चीजों के लोन लेते हैं, लोन नहीं होता है ये एक मनी ऐसे ही दे दिया जाता है कि भाई ठीक है आप कुछ कर रहे हो तो आप ये ले लो. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I want to also ask that, ma'am, when before 1857, ma'am, the education for the ma'am visually challenged person and all that person who were challenged by
हाँ.
by some problem. So, ma'am,
हाँ.
how they there were also schools, particular schools for them at that time.
No, not exactly at that time, but later on, many of these schools came up for such kind of people, because you know, because these people could not keep pace with the normal children, those who were there. So, government thought of, you know, a provision where these people could be taught in the similar way the other schools were imparting education. So that is why this concept of, you know, special schools came up. You know, there
Okay,
are
ma'am.
many in you know Rohilkhand University, there are many, like there is a department which gives vocational training in teaching these kind of children only. So this is a specialized teaching it is called, for the
Yes,
specialized
ma'am.
children, right?
Because, ma'am, it is like an emphasis was given on female and vocational education,
Hmm.
on and on
Huh.
teachers training, ma'am.
That
That's why
time
I
it
asked
was,
you.
maybe that time they did not thought of that, but then later on, of course, our country,
Yes, ma'am.
in every country, these provisions are there. Okay.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
A system. ठीक है, चलो. Anything in this to be explained more about the points which are there?
No, ma'am.
Fine.
ma'am.
Fine. Now, the ideals and methods of Wood's dispatch dominated the field of 5 decades. Like for almost 5 decades, the same recommendations that were, you know, initiated by Wood's dispatch, they were, you know, in running, like they were followed. Which saw rapid westernization of the education system in India, with educational institutions run by European headmasters and principals. Missionary enterprises played an important part in this. Gradually, private Indian educational institutes appeared in the field. In 1857, universities at Calcutta, Bombay, and Madras were set up, and later departments of education were established in all provinces. Right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Anything up till here not clear and understood?
Oh, ma'am.
Fine.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Sharia. Now coming to the education after 1858. In which year this Wood's dispatch came?
1850.
1850. Ma'am, 1854.
1854.
Now, for almost 4 years, same recommendations were there, which were given by Wood's dispatch. Now, in 1882, Hunter Commission came. The government appointed a commission under the chairmanship of William Wilson Hunter to review the progress of education in the country since the Woods Dispatch of 1854. The Hunter Commission mostly confined its recommendations to primary and secondary education. जो Hunter Commission के recommendations थे, they were confined only to the primary and the secondary education. They did not talk about the colleges or the universities. The next 2 decades saw rapid growth and expansion of secondary and collegiate education with the participation of Indians. Universities were set up like the Punjab University and the Allahabad universities. The Punjab and Allahabad universities were set up after the Hunter Commission's recommendations, whatever were there, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Let me see